Welcome to TechNTuts. In today's video, we'll be introducing CentOS-9, going through the computer configuration for installation, downloading CentOS-9, and finally, the installation process. Let's dive in. CentOS-9 is a community-driven free operating system that focuses on delivering a robust platform for development and deployment. It's derived from Red Hat Enterprise Linux and is known for its stability and performance. Computer configuration for installation. Before we start, let's ensure our system meets the requirements for installing CentOS-9. 1. A compatible 64-bit CPU. 2. At least 2 GB of RAM, though 4 GB or more is recommended. 3. 20 GB of free disk space. 4. A stable internet connection for downloading updates. Download CentOS-9. Step 1. Let's download CentOS-9. Go to the official CentOS-9 download page. After downloading, you'll have a disk image file, .iso, ready for installation. Install CentOS-9. Now, let's install CentOS-9 using VMware Workstation. Step 1. Open the VMware Workstation application and create a new virtual machine. Step 2. Select the operating system media. As I have already downloaded the disk image ISO file, so browse the file and select it. Or, select I will install the operating system later, for an interactive installation. And click Next. Step 3. Enter, personalize Linux, full name that can be displayed after installation. Also username that is the root name with password. Step 4. Provide the virtual machine name and location. Type a name that will be displayed welcome page left sidebar of VMware Workstation 17 player and give the location details where this OS file will be stored. Step 5. Select the disk size. Selecting a single disk will increase the performance. However, selecting a split disk will help in the disk transfer scenario. Step 6. To create virtual machine, here, you have customized the hardware. In memory I have selected 2 GB. For processor core I have selected 3. In New CD, DVD ID, you can change ISO file location. In Network Adapter, I have selected NAT that is used to share the host's IP address. You can change USB controller, sound card and display as you want. Step 7. Now the installing processing has been started. Step 8. Here, select the CentOS-9 language as you desire and click Continue. Step 9. In installation summary, CentOS-9 installation destination is required to partitioning select. Here I have select the automatic partitioning for storage configuration. In software selection, you can choose basic environment can be server with GUI, that can be provided the integrated managed server with graphical user interface and you can check additional software for this environment. You can choose environment as server, minimal install. Same way, you can choose environment as server, minimal install, workstation, custom operating system, virtualization host. Now you can select the root password to log in your OS. Here I have checked allow root SSH login with password that can be able to log in OS by SSH. You can create another user. In this case I don't want to create user because of earlier of the installation I have create the user. You can change the keyboard support layout. Can change the installation source as you want. Also change the language support. Change the time zone as required. Now click Begin installation to start the OS installation process. Step 10. Installation of CentOS-9 is in progress. It will take some time depend on your computer processing capability. Step 11. Now CentOS-9 is now successfully installed and ready for you to use. It's required, reboot system, for further processing. Step 12. Now your CentOS-9 is ready for use. Click Start Setup for necessary information. You need to create full name and username. After that, set a password. Congratulations! Everything has been done and CentOS-9 is ready to be used. Click Start using CentOS Stream to start exploring. Can take a tour for this interface. You can check the all application for the default environment. You can monitor this virtual OS CPU, memory, RAM and network. You can save the OS current status by clicking Suspend Guest, and can shut down this OS by clicking Shut Down Guest. Reopen CentOS-9. Open VMware Workstation Player 17. In left sidebar, you can see all of the installed OS. This, CentOS version 5 and earlier 64-bit, are newly installed OS. You can rename it as you want. Select the desired OS, power on it to start again. Log in as username and password. You can switch to full screen mode and press Windows button to see the panel bar. By clicking Suspend Guest, you can save the OS current status, conclusion, and that's it. You've successfully installed CentOS-9 on your system. Start exploring and make the most out of this powerful operating system. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to TechNTuts for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Wow.